Well, like I say, really excited because when you're a kid, you never imagine to be with your brother in MotoGP unless in the same team and in a team like Repsol and the HRC with a lot of history. So yeah, dream comes true. I know that we have a lot of work to do, but also in track we need to be professional. We have our team and our group of mechanics and techniques, so we need to be really professional there. But it's a dream for all of us to share this amazing team. I don't want to put a real target yet because we have all the pre-season in front of us, so I want to be focused on the pre-season, to make my 100%. I'm here and the team give me the confidence from the first day. There's no pressure. Make your work better that you can. And in the end, I will try. For me, it's an advantage to have the 8-time world champion in my side to try to improve and learn from him. In the end, it's a really lucky point that they have to share with your brother your passion and your work and can make with somebody that is close to you day by day to can share your passion and to can training every day and fight for your dreams. So I don't have any sadness.